Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make your bike into a motorbike. Here we go. So you're going to get a water bottle and you're going to put it between your brake and your tire. And if you want it louder, you're going to get another water bottle and put your brake between your tire. Remember, cap always front. Cap always front. Alright, ready? I'm going to drive it and you're going to see how it sounds. And if you want to add some extra, like the engine, you put zip ties like that, and that's how you do it. Bye.